Hi everyone, it's Allison. I am on vacation in Colorado. Yay! It is very hot and very sunny outside. I am here to share my cooking adventure with you while I am in Colorado. I am in the city of Denver in my friend's house. What a sweet friend for letting me stay here. And here I am making some sweet potato. They have been boiled in some water, and now I am cooking them in some oil to get them a little bit crisp and brown. Added onion, and this smells very fragrant. Again, fragrant is an excellent word to talk about when food smells good to you. You know food is fragrant when kids start coming around the kitchen and asking when dinner is going to be ready. Here is a very simple chicken recipe with some soy sauce, oil, and some lemon. I am going to cut this up into slices so that we can serve it and eat. And here, dinner is served. Delicious. Add a green salad on the side or some fresh fruit or both. Thank you everyone. Take care. See you soon.